Let's hear some more echoes, Addison.
Echo!
Are you trying to do an echo?
Echo! Echo! I want to drop one popcorn on the ground so the ants can eat it.
Oh, okay. Can you do an echo, Mackenzie?
Echo!
Wow.
Echo!
Are you going to feed the ants?
Just one piece.
Maybe those ants are eating
They don't need to open anymore.
the popcorn that I gave to them last time.
They probably are eating those. They probably took them back to their ant hill and they're going to save them
Yeah.
for when it gets cold in the winter and they can have food then.
Oh, coffee!
Yeah. Yeah, that's a lot of food for the ants. A lot.
Do you guys like this park? Do you know what it's called?
No.
Roxborough. Can you say Roxborough?
Roxborough.
Yeah, that's good.
You say Roxborough, Addison?
Roxborough.
What? Say it again.
Roxborough.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Roxborough. Roxborough. Like rocks.
Do you like popcorn?
Like rocks, yeah.